He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of youthful charm, steady determination, and a vocal tone that continued to mature with every passing year, I.N didn't simply debut as the youngest member of Stray Kids. He built an identity of his own, transforming raw potential into one of the most promising careers in modern K-pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 8, 2001, in Busan, South Korea, I.N's journey began far from the massive concert arenas and global stages he would eventually conquer. Born as Yang Jong-in, he grew up in a supportive environment where he developed an early interest in music and performance. His natural curiosity, positive attitude, and willingness to work hard would eventually guide him toward the entertainment industry. As a teenager, he joined JYP Entertainment and entered one of the most demanding trainee systems in South Korea. The experience challenged him physically, mentally, and artistically. During these formative years, he focused on strengthening his vocal abilities, improving his stage presence, and adapting to the highly competitive world of K-pop. A major turning point arrived in 2017 when he participated in the survival program Stray Kids. Despite being among the youngest contestants, he demonstrated resilience and determination throughout the competition. His growth impressed both audiences and mentors, ultimately earning him a place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as the youngest member of Stray Kids. His voice quickly became an essential component of the group's evolving sound. Bright, expressive, and increasingly refined, his vocals added emotional balance to Stray Kids' energetic performances. As the group achieved international success through chart-topping albums, sold-out tours, and record-breaking achievements, I.N continued to mature as both a vocalist and performer. Over the years, his artistic development became one of the most noticeable within the group. Fans witnessed a remarkable transformation from a shy teenager into a confident entertainer capable of commanding major stages around the world. His consistent improvement highlighted a work ethic built on patience, discipline, and self-belief. By 2026, I.N is regarded as far more than simply the youngest member of Stray Kids. Industry observers recognize his vocal growth and stage confidence, while fans admire his sincerity and positive energy. His career reflects continuous evolution, proving that long-term dedication often creates the strongest foundation for success. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance and personal growth. He maintains a disciplined schedule that supports both physical health and artistic development. Whether practicing vocals, preparing for performances, or spending time with fellow members, he approaches his responsibilities with professionalism and maturity. His fashion presence has also gained significant attention. Known for his polished appearance and sophisticated style, I.N frequently showcases a blend of modern trends and classic elegance. His evolving image mirrors his personal journey, youthful yet increasingly refined with each passing year. While public interest often extends to his private life, he remains thoughtful about maintaining boundaries. Rather than focusing on unnecessary attention, he consistently places emphasis on personal improvement, music, and meaningful connections with fans. Those who work alongside him often describe him as respectful, hardworking, and genuinely appreciative of the opportunities he has received. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various entertainment projects. Beyond financial achievements, he has earned something equally valuable: credibility as an artist who continues to grow with every new chapter of his career. What many find most inspiring about I.N is his visible transformation. Fans have witnessed every stage of his development, from trainee to international performer. His journey serves as a reminder that growth is often built through consistency rather than instant success. I.N's story is defined by progress rather than shortcuts. From a young boy in Busan to a globally recognized K-pop star, his rise reflects perseverance, humility, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of growth, resilience, and the power of believing in one's potential. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a background of global fame, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a natural blend of vocal power, precision, charisma, and undeniable stage presence, Jungkook didn't simply debut in the K-pop industry. He built his own identity within it, transforming youthful ambition into one of the most remarkable pop careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 1st, 1997, in Busan, South Korea, Jungkook's journey began far from sold-out stadiums and global chart dominance. As a child, he showed early interest in music and performance, often drawn to singing and physical expression. After auditioning for the talent show Superstar K at a young age, he caught the attention of multiple entertainment agencies. He ultimately chose Big Hit Entertainment, believing in its vision despite it not being an industry giant at the time. His debut in 2013 as the youngest member of BTS marked the beginning of a demanding path. As the group's golden Maknae, he quickly became known for his versatility, strong live vocals, sharp dance execution, and competitive drive. Years of intense training shaped his discipline, while constant performances refined his confidence and stage control. As BTS gradually rose to international prominence, Jungkook's growth became increasingly visible. His voice carried emotional tracks that resonated deeply with global audiences, while his performance skills evolved with each comeback. From early breakthrough eras to record-breaking English releases, he demonstrated consistency under immense pressure. Rather than remaining defined solely by group success, Jungkook expanded his artistic identity. His solo tracks such as Euphoria, My Time, and later official solo releases like 7 and 3D showcased a mature, genre-blending sound. With his album Golden, he solidified his position as a standalone global pop artist, achieving major streaming milestones and international chart recognition. By 2026, Jungkook is regarded as one of the most influential male artists of his generation. Industry professionals acknowledge his work ethic, producers value his adaptability, and audiences connect with his authenticity. His career reflects strategic evolution rather than short-term momentum. Offstage, his lifestyle balances intensity with privacy. Despite immense fame, he maintains a relatively low profile, focusing on physical training, vocal improvement, and creative exploration. Fitness, boxing, and structured practice routines remain central to his discipline, reinforcing the stamina required for high-level performance. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic confidence. Jungkook moves effortlessly between minimalist streetwear and high-fashion luxury campaigns. As a global ambassador for major brands, he represents modern masculinity with understated elegance and quiet authority. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective and protective of his boundaries. He consistently shifts attention back to music, performance, and long-term artistic growth. Within the industry, he is described as hardworking, self-critical, and deeply committed to refining his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from world tours, record-breaking album sales, global endorsements, and songwriting credits. More importantly, he has established credibility not only as an idol, but as a respected international pop figure. What many admire most is his continuous evolution. From a determined teenager leaving Busan to pursue a dream, to a polished solo performer commanding global stages, Jungkook's rise is defined by discipline, adaptability, and internal drive. Jungkook's journey is not built on hype alone, but on sustained growth. As he moves forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, dynamic, focused, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.